Welcome to all. Today question number 53. Find moment of inertia about centroidal axis. So that is usual Ixx, Iyy. All dimensions in millimeter. This is a given sketch. See here. 210, 90, 90, 240. See, this is 210, 90 and 90. And then there is a semicircle here. See, that is actually existing area is here. So, solution. Something I will tell in the class. We can solve it in two different ways. See, note, two solutions are there. So, I will go for solution 1. Once I see, these are all important for concepts. Once I finish solution for 1, I will go to solution for solution 2. So, okay, class. Solution 1 is, see, what we will do is, see here. We will consider full rectangle. See, 210 by 240. See here, 210 width by 240. That I will take 1. So your 1 is rectangle. This 1 is rectangle of which one? 210 by base 210, height 240. Or to understand correctly, I will do one thing now. I will take this point as A, B, C, D, I already taken there. Okay, I will take this as PQ. Okay, Y bar from PQ. I don't want A, B, C, D. PQ. Okay, PQ. Some different name. PQ. So, just to understand, do one thing. Right here. A, B, C, D. So, your rectangle is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D rectangle. So, you take ABCD rectangle. So, this semicircle is cut out. So, this is cut out. The 2 becomes cut out. Then you get what? Then you get the area. Then right side and left side, both sides, triangle, 240 height, 90 base, 240 height, 90 base. See, 90 base, 240 height, 90 base, 240 height. So, therefore, the actual is 1. See, this rectangle 1 minus 2. See, again be careful. 2 is danger. Danger because why? You should remember that 2. 2, I will make further dark. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is the actual. Okay, now make a note. Before you start, make one more note. See, here only. This one more sketch you write there. See, you write one more sketch better. One more. Someone will not agree then. Okay. Okay. Now okay. Okay. Not okay. Okay. 1 minute. These are all should not be bothered too much. Okay. This is the given sketch. So, if you observe correctly here, see, 90, 90. Correctly center. Therefore, this is perfectly symmetrical about vertical axis. This is your axis of symmetry. That is your YY axis. So later, YY directly you draw here. So, right, no need of X bar is not required. So you need only Y bar for locating centroid. So Y bar from, we will take not AB, I will take PQ. So you take a base reference line PQ. See, Y bar from PQ equal to A1Y1 minus, again be careful, I am warning, this is a danger one, minus A2Y2 plus A3Y3 plus A4Y4 by total area, that is A1 minus A2 minus plus A3 plus A4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, T2, I made again dangerous. Okay, see, start. A1. 210 into 240. I wrote the area. A2. 5 by 8 of 210 square. A3 and A4 both are half into 90 into 240. Okay. Then for total area, I already told you, total area is A1 minus A2 plus A3 plus A4. Now if you do not do all these things correctly, you are not serious. Okay, now over. With this data, your y bar will come, calculate. Therefore, your y bar will come A1, Y1, substitute here, you substitute. I noted the answer there. 128.091. 128.091 millimeter is the y bar I got from bottom edge, correct? 128.091. Let me check the answer. Correct, actually it is. I am so sure. Yes, correct. Because I checked from top, I got 111.909. Correct it. Okay, over. Now, once this is over, immediately go to the original sketch and locate XX. By locate XX using y bar and directly mark YY. Okay, start. XX. Y bar, how much you got? 128.091. See here. This is 210. One more thing important. See, I not explained you Y1, Y2. Okay, I need not explain. Okay, I forgot to tell. Y1. See, this is 210. This is 105 radius. 240 by 2 is 120. So centroid of rectangle is above this level. It's okay. Y1. Half of 240. I forgot to tell. Y2. This distance. Directly 2d by 3 pi. Y3 and Y4 both are 1/3 of 240. Okay. I wrote everything here. Okay. Now locate. How much? 128.091. See, from here up to here is diameter 210 means radius 105. So it is slightly above 105. Oh, sorry, 128. So this is 240. So half is 120. So it is above. See, it is here, little above. Okay, now done. I thought it may come in between. Okay. This is your x axis. Okay, this all I'll remove. From here to here is your y bar 128.091. Something happened to this color. I should change it. Okay, I'll change it now. Therefore, from the top edge to this will be from total 240 subtract 128.091 111 point sufficient space problem will come. Okay, 1 minute now. Okay, sufficient. 111.909. I will make it dark. I will change the ink. 111.909 is that distance. Then YY do not locate. Do not locate by calculation. Directly mark here. Center. See, it will come here. Okay. This is the center of circle. See, center of circle here. From here to here and from here to here, if you want, total 390 by U is 195 and 195. Direct answer. I wrote here. See, if you want, you can write here. Each of them is 390 by 2, 390 by 2. 390 by 2. Locate. Now you have to go for moment of inertia calculation. For that, this sketch I still want to maintain because solution is there. Okay, now I will go for moment of inertia calculation. Now, I will dictate, but I will not write. See, there's a limit for everything. So, x bar, y bar, I made little dark. Now, see, write. Calculation of I about xx and I about yy. Then, by parallax theorem, I about any, already written 1000 times. I about any axis equal to I about ig plus ah square. Ig means I about centroidal axis. Its own centroidal axis parallel to the required axis. A is the area, h is the perpendicular distance from centroid considered, which part you consider from that centroid to the required axis, perpendicular square. Some people will actually, most people will go fast forward now. See, those who understood everything, when I start explaining once again, they will go to fast forward. Why? They will tell, we listened it 100 times. Okay, start. Come here. I about its own centroidal axis, parallel to xx. 210 into 240 cube divided by 12 plus area into from centroid of the component to xx. See, this distance square is 128.091. The centroid is actually mid height. 128.091 from here to here is, see, full is 240 minus 240 by 2 whole square. Calculate, let the answer be right. See, there's a reason for writing it. Let it, you write whatever you got here. Okay, then come to figure number 2. I about its own centroidal axis. See, this axis is not symmetry axis for semicircle. So, if it is not symmetry axis, moment of inertia is decimal number. Point. In the offline class, if I tell, so many will be laughing by this time. They will tell, sir, 100 times. Okay. 0.00686 diameter power 4 plus area into, see, from centroid to xx, this distance square is 128.091 minus this distance is 2d by 3 pi whole square. I wrote here. Okay, then triangle, right? Let it be double right. See, answer. I about its own centroidal axis. 90 into 240 cube by 36 plus area into this distance square is 128.091 minus this distance is 1 by 3 of 240 whole square. Let it be triple right. Okay. Now, don't waste time. See how this centroidal axis, both are identical. Here also 90 into 240 cube, 90 into 240 cube. Same area. This distance square, don't waste time. See, with respect to xx, when both are symmetrically placed, see, xx is not symmetrical, but with respect to xx, both are symmetrically placed. Or if you are that much eager, write once again, not required, ixx per 4 equal to ixx per 3 equal to triple right. See, whatever, not triple right, whatever you got here, write that answer here. Therefore, for the given area, real area, ixx equal to ixx per 1 minus ixx per 2 plus ixx per 3 plus ixx per 4, right minus double right plus triple right plus once again triple right. Write whatever you got. Very important. Get the answer. See, get answer. I will tell you why you have to get the answer. Because there is an alternate solution is there. Solution 2. That's why get the answer. Okay, now ixx over, you go for iyy. Again, same thing. I want to save the time. Unnecessary things. See, if I write in front of you, it will take more time. So I'll write and explain because repetition may be 100 times now. Now, I about yy. Okay, start. Yy. First, for rectangle, see, its centroid is here. I about its own centroidal axis passing through its own axis, its own centroidal axis means passing through G1. See, same axis. 240 into 390 cube. Where is it? 240 into 210. Okay. 240 into 210 cube by 12 plus area into centroid G1 lies in YY. Vertical axis means from G1 horizontal distance is not there into 0 square. Write the answer. Let it be dot. Last time write dot, some answer. Come for semicircle. See, I about its own axis here. Oh, this is symmetry axis. Therefore, pi d power 4 by 128. This all told. Plus area into, see, centroid G, G2 lies in YY. Therefore, once again, 0 square. Okay. Let the answer be double dot. See, that is single dot. This is double dot. Okay, now start. Lastly, for 3. I about its own centroidal axis parallel to YY. Parallel side 240 into 90 cube by 36 plus area into 0 square. Let it be triple dot. IYY for 4 is same as IC with respect to YY, both are symmetrical. Same as IYY for 3, triple dot once again. So final IYY equal to IYY for 1, that is dot minus double dot plus triple dot plus triple dot. Get the answer because there is one more solution. Okay, now I will go for solution 2. See, if I go to solution 2 now, there are so many people will be very, very happy. You don't know, majority of people will be happy. They will tell finally KSN made a blunder. What 0 square here? No, wrong. See, this is what happens. See, I tell you, this is what mistake people do. What mistake people do. In a hurry, what happens is, once they think it is symmetry axis, see, they will tell 0, see, I section, when you do symmetrical I section, when you do YY, all 0 square will come. So they will tell symmetry is there, no, 0 square. See, I wrote here, what 0? Some distance is there. See, therefore, be careful. This I wrote because otherwise somebody will comment, KSN made a mistake. I was about to exit. I acted as if I am exiting from this recording and going to new recording. But I wrote here, what 0? Which 0? This 0. Nonsense. Some distance is there. This I do in the offline class also. Sometimes, I will tell you, some student will tell, people who are, see, intelligent people are there. When I tell, see, I about its own axis 0 square, I about its own axis, see my hand moving, I about its own axis. See, YY is here, own axis here. It is not coinciding. See, G3 is not coinciding with YY, it is outside. I will tell this one into 0 square. Sometimes, so majority of students will tell, yes sir, okay sir. But few people, they will tell, sir, what? Sir, that IYY for 3, what is the problem? So much I explained, still you are not understanding. How many times I have to tell it? Shall I tell repeatedly same thing 100 times, again and again? No sir. I will start acting as if I am angry. See, you should be careful, you should understand. When I write something, it should be clear for you. So many examples are told, so many explanations given. Yes sir. He will get afraid. He knows it is wrong, but he will not have the courage to tell. Then I will tell, okay, tell me, what is it? No, nothing sir. He will tell, nothing sir. Tell me. Sir, G1 lies in YY, so the 0 square. G, its own axis lies, I will tell, come here and explain. See, its own axis comes here, coincides with YY, 0 square. Sir, G1 is, see, own axis here, sir, from G3 to YY, see, it is not 0 square. Oh, then I will tell, you are right. Yes, okay, thank you very much for teaching me. Then he will feel little odd actually. Then I will tell him, see what I wrote here, not here, somewhere in a corner I will write, WZ, SDIT. See, I wrote it here. Or in a paper I will write and put in my pocket. Then sometime what I will do is, I will remove the paper and show him, read this one. Sir, WZSDIT. Do you know what it means? What 0? Some distance is there. You are right. I deliberately made the mistake. Such mistakes. Do you think I will make such a mistake? See, when I tell I about its own axis and then 0 square. No, sir. I know, sir, you will not make the mistake. But still, I was wondering why you put 0 square. Okay, good. Then I will tell this is wrong. See, for G1, YY coincides. For G2 also coincide. G3 is here. I about its own axis plus area into from G3 to this distance square. See, this distance square is 195. So it is there. Very good, I will tell him. So I will tell him just for fun. In future also, this way you keep on helping me. You will feel a little ashamed. Sir, we can't help you, sir. I know, sir, something is there. Okay, something is there. Minus See, minus, I will tell 1 by 3. Then you will tell, sir, 2 by 3. How? 1 by 3, no. Sir, this distance is this distance minus this. Oh, yes, very good. 2 by 3 of what? 90 whole square. That is your triple dot. So I for 4 also, see here, I about its own axis plus area into this distance square, identical. So same answer. So I for, or you can do one thing, I for 1 minus I for 2 plus I for 3, that multiplied by 2 will do. Get the answer. Okay. Now I will tell you alternate solution. I will tell what is alternate solution. See, what we will do is, now see, this triangle is there. See, I will remove everything now. See, same centroid will come. I will take full rectangle up to here. See, I will take this full rectangle. This one more solution, full rectangle. See, that is, see, I will show it here, full rectangle. If I take the full rectangle, then semicircle cut out and 2 triangles are cut out. But the cutout triangle here, existing triangle is 1 by 3, 2 by 3. For cutout triangle, it is 1 by 3 here, and see here, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. But when you take that cutout triangle, it is 1 by 3 here and 2 by 3 here. That's what I want to explain. Then answer is I for 1 minus I for 2 minus I for 3 minus I for 4. So to understand the concept, I will give second solution. I will write it on the board and now. Already midnight, some music is going on there. Hope it is not disturbing you. Okay, start. Solution 2, make a note. See, you put the sketch and write, see, the real sketch is here. See, this is the real. See, this is the real. You make a note here, this is the real. What we will do is, see, last time I told A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Let it be E, F. Project it here. Let it be GH. What we will do is, this complete rectangle, we will take 1. Notice. 1 is one rectangle. See, full rectangle. Which one? Rectangle E, F, G, H. That is rectangle of 390 base by 240. That is complete rectangle. See, once you take full rectangle, then this is cut out. This also becomes cut out. This also becomes cut out. See, to get this area from the full rectangle, remove this one, remove this one, remove this one. So 2 you can see, it is a semicircle, you can see it. 3 is, see, this, not last time it was this triangle, see, then 1/3, 2/3. Now this is your 3. Which one? 3 is EGA. This is your 3. And 4 is FB, FD, FHB. Okay, FHB. Okay. FHB. FHB is your 4. Therefore, now the real is full 1 minus, see, this is your 1 rectangle. This I will take 2. This I will take removed 3. This I will take 4. So real is 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So here 2, 3, 4 are all danger. Means negative or removed part. 1 is full. Okay. Now, right. YY as usual right here. YY is axis of symmetry. Don't waste time. See, you write this sketch on you right here. In this sketch you write here. This is axis of symmetry. Full is 210 plus 90 plus 90 is 90 is already done 390. It is 390 means both of them are 390 by 2, 390 by 2. No need of locating. So therefore you require only Y bar. For Y bar you take reference line PQ from base. And remember Y bar to locate XX. Y bar from PQ equal to a1y1 minus a2y2 minus a3y3 minus a4y4 divided by area a1 minus a2 minus a3 minus a4, and now only I will tell the last step, final I equal to I for 1 minus I for 2 minus I for 3 minus I for 4. I will not tell once again. See, when I go to final moment of inertia, it is 1 minus 2. Last time it was 1 minus 2 plus 3 and 4. See, last time it was 1 this much only. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 are 1, 3, 4 are there. 2 remove. Now 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Now I will not waste time on that one. So therefore I will prepare the table for y bar. Okay. Now usual part number, area y from PQ. First one, area 390, because 1 is the full rectangle. 390 into 390 is not clear here. Partially rubbed out. I'll write once again. There's some time. Okay. 390. 390 into 240. A2 pi by 8 of diameter square. Last time I forgot to enter diameter, but you know the diameter 210. I usually write the diameter here. I forgot it. Write it. Then A3. Where is A3? See, this is A3. Half into 90 into 240. A4 is same. Y1. See, its centroid is here. Rectangle. Half of 240. Y2. 2d by 3 pi. But Y3 and Y4. See, last time it was this triangle. See, 1/3, 1/3. But now it is this triangle. So 2/3, not 1/3. Be careful. It is 2/3 of 240. 2/3 of 240. Total area A1 minus A2 minus A3 minus A4 is there. Y bar, I already told you, 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Told so many times. Get Y bar. Okay, locate Y bar now. See, how much I got? 128.091. Last time also same. See, how you divide into parts, that will not change the... See, for the given lamina, you divide whatever way you want. See, if you want, do one thing. If you want, I will tell you it later. Okay, first you mark it, Y bar. 128.019 means from here to here is 120, slightly above. Okay. This is your x-axis. X-axis from here to here is, okay, round off, 128.091. From total 240, subtract. From there you will get 111.909. From there. Okay, then YY axis directly mark, passing to symmetry, centroid of 1 and also centroid of 2, but not centroid of 3 and 4. Yeah, I told already last time, mistake chance. YY, somewhere mark here. This distance and this distance, both are, I already told you, total 390 means 195, 195. This is YY axis. Okay, now everything is over. What I wanted to tell is, see, this lamina, if you want to one thing, see, I remove this one now. For fun, if you want, this existing area, you introduce one rectangle here. Then subtract this triangle, subtract this triangle. Then introduce a semicircle. Subtract this quadrant, subtract this quadrant. Do whatever you want. Finally, your total area, centroid, moment of inertia will remain same. It will not depend on how you divide into parts. Okay, now everything is ready. I will write single stretch, moment of inertia for about both now. So that single stretch I write. Okay, now start moment of inertia. Write the usual statement. I about any axis equal to, sorry, you write it. Then everywhere ig plus a square. I wrote everything here. So only explanation, start. Because why is already known for you. See, I about its own centroidal axis. 1. 1 is a full rectangle now. How much? 390 into 240 cube by 12 plus area into, see, this distance square is 128.091 minus half of 240 whole square. Let it be right. Then this right will not be same as last time right. You write a new value, write the answer here. Then for 2, I about its own centroidal axis here, parallel to xx. Not symmetrical. 0.00686 diameter power 4 plus area into, see, from G2 to xx. This distance square is 128.091 minus 2d by 3 pi whole square. Let the answer be double right. 3. I about its own centroidal axis here. 90 into 240 cube by 36 plus area into this distance square is 111.909 minus 1/3 of 240 whole square. Let it be triple right. Then for fourth one not required, see, same answer, same distance square, everything is same. But be careful, IYY for 4 equal to IY for 3, whatever triple right you write the same answer. Therefore, final give answer IXX equal to IXX for 1, I already told it how many times I have to tell, IXX for 1 minus IXX for 2 minus IXX for 3 minus IXX for 4, or write clearly 4. Write minus double right, minus triple right, minus once again triple right, or minus triple right into 2 also will do. Okay. Now start, get the answer. Now what answer you get here, you compare with the answer we got last time. My guarantee, answer will be same. If answer is not tallying, let me know, I will check once again. See, calculation mistake possible, but no mistake. I can't make mistake in expression for moment of inertia. My guarantee. Still, see, the explanation, no confusion, no mistake. If any calculation mistake is there by chance, it will not tally, let me know in the comment section. I will put a recommend or I will give clarification. See, always I will do one thing. If any clarification required, I won't write description. I will prepare important clarification. I will record one more class. I will tell clarification for the doubt for this class. Okay. I will not tell rectification of mistake because I never make mistake. Mistake is possible only what? Calculation part or some numbering mistake may be there. Technically mistake will never come. See, I told last time 0 square. So many would have been happy at that time. Those who are watching, hey, suddenly he made mistake. Then they realized, oh, he is playing with us. Okay, now start. I about YY. First, I about its own centroidal axis. 240 into 390 cube by 12 plus G1 lies in YY plus area into 0 square. Let the answer be dot. Semicircle. I about its own axis. Once again, symmetry axis. Pi into diameter power 4 by 128 plus area into 0 square once again. Here. I about its own centroidal axis. See. 240 into 90 cube by 36 plus area into, see, this distance square, that is 195 minus 1/3 of 90. See, last time it was, see here, last time centroid was here. It was 195 minus 2/3. Now it is not that way. It is 195 minus last time 1/3, last time 2/3, but this time 1/3 of what? 1/3 of how much? 90. See, from centroid here. See, last time I wrote big 2/3, this time 1/3 of 90 whole square. Okay, black color will do. Who will search? Write the answer. Let it be triple dot. triple dot. IYY for 4 identical. See here, I exactly same answer. So not required. Same as I. But remember, if one small disturbance is there lengthwise, it will not be same. Okay, calculate. Lastly, IYY for entire given area equal to, right, IYY for 1 minus 3 times, or dot minus double dot minus triple dot minus once again triple dot. Get the answer. Your answer should tally with what IYY you got last time. Okay, this question over. Remember 53, next time is 54. Question number 54 is very interesting question. It will cover a lot of concept, and I decided for that question to give little more explanation. So for your benefit, actually not required. Still, I decided that actually today I first prepared that question. Then what happened is I wrote halfway through. At that time power went. So then when I came back here, by mistake I rubbed the board. Then who remembers that one? I forgot it. So I decided today to make an important question this type. Otherwise this question would have come next time. Now interchange. So what? This question today. Next time, interesting question. Okay. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.